Surat Ad-Duha, chapter of the morning. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, by the morning brightness, by the night when it is still, thy Lord hath not taken leave of thee, nor despised thee. The last is for thee better than the first, assuredly. In the end thy Lord will give thee to thy satisfaction. Did he not find thee an orphan and give thee shelter? Did he not find thee erring and guide thee? Did he not find thee poor and enrich thee? So as for the orphan, be not thou overbearing. And as for the beggar, scold not. And as for the goodness of thy Lord, discourse of it. And the moving and the stillness. What do we do about that?